Hi guys. Welcome to PDF.co. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get PDF information with PDF.co web API using PHP programming language. Let's start. First, I will show you the sample PDF file that we're going to use for this tutorial. Now, prepare the sample HTML and PHP code for your program. Once you're done, run the program on your local host. Put UAPI key on the API key field. Browse and select the sample PDF file. Then, click the Proceed button. Here's what the result would look like.
That's all for this tutorial. We have a lot of tutorials on our YouTube channel. Just search for PDF.co. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.